Hey Gearheads, welcome back to Gearhead Garage. Today we're taking a trip down memory lane with a modern twist, the all-new 2025 Porsche 918 Spyder. This iconic muscle car is back with a vengeance, blending classic design with cutting-edge technology. So, buckle up and get ready to experience the resurrection of a legend. This speculative 2025 Porsche 918 Spyder would undoubtedly push the boundaries of automotive technology. Imagine a chassis constructed primarily from advanced carbon fiber composites, reinforced with strategically placed titanium components. This would not only reduce weight but also enhance rigidity, resulting in unparalleled handling and responsiveness. The heart of this 2025 Porsche 918 Spyder would likely be a complex hybrid powertrain. A high-revving, twin-turbocharged V8 engine, perhaps with cylinder deactivation technology for efficiency, could form the foundation. Supplementing this would be multiple electric motors strategically placed to optimize performance and efficiency. A high-capacity battery pack, utilizing the latest in solid-state technology, would provide extended electric range and rapid charging capabilities. To harness this immense power, an advanced all-wheel drive system with torque vectoring would be essential. Coupled with an active suspension system capable of adjusting damping and ride height in real time, the hypercar would offer extraordinary grip and stability. Aerodynamics would play a crucial role. Active elements, such as retractable rear wings and underbody diffusers, would optimize downforce and drag based on driving conditions. The interior would be a harmonious blend of luxury and performance. Cutting-edge displays, potentially augmented reality enabled, would provide vital information to the driver. Haptic feedback systems could replace traditional buttons and switches, creating a more intuitive and engaging experience. Advanced driver assistance systems, including highway autonomy and emergency braking, would enhance safety without compromising the driving experience. Ultimately, this hypothetical 2025 Porsche 918 Spyder would represent the pinnacle of automotive achievement, a fusion of art and science that redefines the limits of performance and luxury. It would be a car that not only exhilarates but also inspires future generations of automotive engineers.